was pretty busy and full and got a lot done. Say hi. Come in so it's not just half your face. This is Eric. We were just hanging out before dinner time while Josh and Melanie finished putting up the lean-to. Josh made a frame for the roof part and found 4 legs for it to put it all together. Talk about building a house in the woods.
A house in the woods?
So I talked to the president of Marshall's Education Initiative about how I can help her and how she can help me. I think she can help me out with the website and, of course, applying for grants and stuff. And I can help her, at least I can look at the oral histories that they've transcribed and the oral histories that they still have. And there's some stuff they want to do with wave navigation, which is cool. And of course, hopefully I'll get some photos. And then she said that the Monarch Club at NWAC is meeting, the officers are meeting on the 18th, so I'll be here for that. So I'll be able to introduce myself and talk to them and tell them what I'm doing and stuff with my magazine. And then I talked to Terry for a while at the clinic. Mostly just chatted, because I'm just really interested in her story and maybe one day helping her write her memoirs or something. So I arranged to meet with her mom, who lives here, and April said I could borrow a recorder too for it. So I think Terry just has a really interesting story. She's just like a natural storyteller. You just have to write down all the stories and make it into a book. And then I came back, I talked to Josh for a while, hung out with kids, made up some note cards for the sister missionaries to vocabulary for the first lesson. Yeah, got a lot of stuff done.